Okay, so I've pulled up an old code, and I wanted to show you how I find, like you said, if you want to change a variable name and change it throughout the whole code, one of the best ways, in my opinion, to do this is find and then replace all. So in order to do that, the shortcut is Control F, at least on a Windows machine. And then it pulls up this find bar. My guess is you've probably seen this before. But let's say we want to change from words to, so first we're going to find words. And let's say we want to change it to, we'll just be silly here for a second. We'll just change it to apples for the sake of seeing it work. So we're changing from words to apples. And there's two ways to do this. One, you can, if you're not certain you want to change every place where it says words, like maybe you have the word words in one of your comments and you don't want to change it there. So instead, you can go through individually and click replace. So it'll replace the one on 22 and now the one on 24, and the next one it highlights it'll change. Or you can click this replace all, and that will just take every place where it says words in your whole code and switch it to apples. Anyways, I hope this helps. I hope this is what you were talking about, but it's really helpful for me when especially like if I find a typo or if, I realize that maybe it wasn't the most descriptive variable name. That's a really good way to change each one quickly. So I hope that helps.